in there. We're talking is the.
We're at not. Hi.
Bring the kids. My gosh, they have a great time. Bring uncles and aunts and everyone you know.
Yes, that's great.
Let everyone you gotta see.
So you're gonna die. You're walking backwards. What are those like cameras that are like? I'm gonna record Priscilla.
Get over here and get in line. This is number one show.
Oh, it's so funny. Get my good side. I think I'm a better vlogger than you.
So here, my friends.
Get my good side. I'm not. Oh wait. I don't have a bad side. Yeah.
Dude, where the heck? Dude, are we going the wrong way?
Where are we going?
The wrong way?
Where are we going?
The wrong way? Anyway, my friends don't know how to.
It's over here.
My friends don't know how to go. So I'm vlogging. Uh-oh. Butt, ass, butt, booty butt, butt. Butt cam. The butt cam. Okay, wanna watch my video? Butt.
Where's the logger? It's over here. We just reached a dead end.
Dude, it looks like Inception. It looks like I should pay $5 to get into the dryer. Oh my gosh. Oh, rich people.
Here, Leanne's taking over. What's that?
Dryer time. What a freak.
Oh, that's hot.
Bigfoot boiler. That's where they cook Bigfoot. You know who is Bigfoot here? Jacqueline. Show her your foot. Look. Pistol man. Look at him. He has a pistol.
Where? Oh my gosh.
Gotta load it.
Hi.
Oh my god, hi Leanne! You're talking to your own.
Oh, hey, you have to pay a kid to say hi, Leanne. I'm your biggest fan. Can I get a picture?
Okay, so I need to do this. Or Jacqueline, what up to that?
Yeah. Give me. All right. Go over there.
Oh, look at all these people. Oh, look at the water.
Over there. I'm your biggest fan. Can I get a picture with you, Leanne?
Okay. Look at the waterfall.
Let's watch people get splashed.
Someone's gonna splash. Yosemite? Okay, someone's coming. Yeah, it looks like Niagara Falls. Okay, there's someone coming. That's us. Just kidding. Okay, so we have absolutely no idea where we're going.
phone.
Oh, that's a good phone. iPhone?
Yes, iPhone.
This thing never breaks. So let me show you how to vlog. Camera, see capture. My quality is really good. Video camera.
It's dark.
Uh-oh. Okay, it is dark. Okay. Record time 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Huh?
Where are we going?
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna vlog on. Why is it vlog? Is it vlog
I
or
call it
vlog?
vlog. I just see something called vlog.
Okay, I'm
gonna flip it around so you can see.
Can I get you? Can I record you?
Yeah. So we're walking to bumper cart. You know.
I'm peeing my pants.
This is you.
Okay. This is our bottle. We stole it. It's from TGIF. We poured the drink into a water bottle.
And we didn't tip them.
Yeah. You guys are so badass.
Yeah, we did. I'm sorry,
We
paid
paid
so much money.
You should be in a commercial.
You have to let it drip down.
Sprint TV, please record. Would you like to try out for the next commercial?
Stop.
Stop. This is all the immature people who want to go in the bumper cars. Are we going on here?
Yeah.
This is for immature people only. Look at all the butt. More butt. But there's a lot of butts in here. Lot of butts. A lot. A lot. Oh,
I can do
they just cut us. Ew.
look at those
Excuse me! Can we just like go over here? That's Gucci. What a fag. Holy jeez. Praise the Lord. Hey, that girl looks like...
Same glasses
Or-
on me? I know. Yeah, I'm refreshing. Let me zoom in.
It looks
I'm
like a
in
pee.
focus.
This is dehydrated pee.
It's
Right here.
orange juice. Just kidding. No, it's mango peach. Lemony? Lemony? No, slush. Mmm, check that thing. Okay. You guys should go bumper carts with us.
H2O. Do you want some agua?
It's not even agua.
Okay.
Who's gonna watch this? It's like 7 minutes long for nothing.
Hi.
Jacqueline, when's your phone gonna run out of
Excuse me. Personal space, paparazzi.
battery? I would check, but
You like my bracelet?
okay, we wanted to go watch the show. Oh my gosh, where'd you get
The
that?
Gucci store.
I got the same one.
Where'd you get yours? I got mine from the Louis store. And Fendi.
So many stamps.
Oh, do you think it would transfer? Oh,
You just
maybe.
wiped it all off.
Oh yeah, I did not transfer. Your mom gets skin cancer. Hi. Adventures of Liam. Oh, you should stop now. It's gonna run out of batteries.
I'll come back when we go
By
on
the
the
way,
actual
excuse me.
bumper carts. Yeah, you better say excuse me. Excuse me. Bye.